Well, it is spring here, the time to work on home projects, and with May 1st being New Homeowners Day, I didn't know we had a New Homeowners Day coming up. Anyway, Kathryn Emery, she's our handy home gal. She's here with us right now. And Kathryn, you have 4 trending projects for your home. I'm not a fix-it person here. What's an easy thing to do?
Oh, Randy, everything here you are going to be able to do, my friend. So like you said, there's a day for everything. So New Homeowners Day just gives you a nice excuse to look around and see what you can update. So I always recommend that people first update their fixtures. So think about all your like little cabinet hardware you can really personalize. One thing I always do is I always change those toilet paper roll holders and I make them those super easy pivot, you know, where you can just slide the toilet paper roll on and off. So I love, this is one from Delta. It's a toilet paper roll holder with a nightlight, Randy. Isn't that awesome? So it's so easy to use. You'll just slide 2 AA batteries in there. It's going to be on for 8 hours, off for 16 hours. So it's going to give you that light right when you need it most. Because I don't know about you, in the middle of the night, I turn on the light and I'm awake. So this is like, I was like, oh my God, this is amazing. So, and as you can see, it's got that pivot arm, and then it's just a beautiful, it's that beautiful finish. It can blend all of your new cabinet hardware that you updated to. But that's the Delta toilet paper roll holder with night light. You can easily install it. All you need is a screwdriver, my friend.
Yeah, hey, when you put the toilet paper roll on the spool there, will it put it, you know, forward or backwards? That's a big argument with me and my wife, how we put the toilet paper on.
That's a whole nother segment, right? Man versus woman.
Okay. Hey, Kathryn, what is something trending that we should consider for our home?
Okay, you remember the great TP shortage of 2020?
Oh, yeah.
This can be solved with a bidet toilet seat. So everyone thinks bidets are really expensive or intimidating, but I have with me, so this is the Brondell. It's a non-electric toilet seat. So all you do is take your existing toilet seat off, put this one on, and you're going to get that hygienic bathroom experience. No need for toilet paper anymore. You're going to get dual nozzles. So for the front and the back that you can position to your liking, adjustable water pressure. You're going to get fresh water. So it's coming out of the faucets. You're getting fresh water in there. And this is the Brondell Swash Eco Seat. They also have one, if you love your toilet seat, that you can just add under your existing toilet seat. But hey, we're all wondering about bidets. Try it. I always say, try it out. If you don't like it, don't use it. But just it's budget friendly, it's sleek, it's something everyone could do to update their house. I always say, and by the way, cleaning with water is much more hygienic than cleaning with paper. And it's better for the environment, right? Not all that toilet paper going out into the ocean. So that's something I always recommend.
After hearing about that, Kathryn, I'm a little flush this morning here. After hearing about that, I'm a little flush. So. Hey.
So good.
Okay, let's keep going here. Hey, Kathryn, what's something that every homeowner does need? Everybody's got to have something. What is that?
I mean, a durable broom, because you know what? I want something to clean with outside, and I don't want to think about it. I just want it to be there for me. So this is the Quickie fiberglass push broom, and I love it because of 2 things. It's durable. So number 1, my husband ran over it with his car, and it was still ready to go. I like to neglect my cleaning products, so I want to leave it outside. You know, that Indy weather, it can handle it, and it's still good to go. So just durable, resistant, all that. So just a great thing. You can find that at Home Depot. But I know, and the bristles are thick and thin, so it can get all different kind of messes. You can find that at Home Depot. Just an awesome product.
Hey, we're almost out of time, but one more question here. Anything to help out in the garden?
Well, of course, this is the Vegapod raised garden bed. And I don't know about you, but I do not have a green thumb. So I love it because it's, number 1, it's got a self-watering system above, a fine mist come down. It has a wicking system below, Randy. So that means water, and you can plant different things from, like, I'm going to have my Swiss chard in the back, my mojito garden in the front. The roots can go where they need it most, and then they're going to get water for a couple weeks so you can go on vacation. It's also got this permeable mesh for pests, inclement weather, freezes, heat waves, and then I just love the height because, you know, I want to garden, but I don't want to get down. But this is the Vegapod raised garden bed. It will make you be able to grow anything and everything at home. Just an awesome thing.
We're running out of time here, Kathryn. Real quick, how can we contact you?
Everybody should go to BeTheBestHome.com for more great home tips.
Okay. Hey, Kathryn, appreciate that. And that's some really neat ideas there,
Thanks,
Nessa.
Randy.
You know, kind of like that toilet paper roll with the light coming out. Isn't that kind of cool?
Right?
Yeah.
Neat. And what I learned from that, Alice, is we need more dad jokes from you. Bring on the puns. We
Maybe
like
some
them.
more.
Those were great.